Breaking news here at World Business News. Coffee syrup has been reinvented. All the sugar and other sweeteners has been effectively removed, and instead it's now all about the flavour. They seem to be trusting the users to add the right amount of sugar themselves. Anyway, the new product is called Coffee Adder, and some of the flavours are supposed to taste like genuine booze, although they contain no alcohol at all. Seems like now you can drink and drive, hey? Over to our reporter in Sweden, Bob Lodbrok, to hear the latest development of the Coffee Adders.
I'm here with Rudolf Ruben, the inventor of Coffee Adders. First of all, Rudolf, is it true that I can put your bourbon or rum in my coffee and then drink it without getting drunk?
Yes, there is no alcohol at all in my coffee adders. They smell and taste like rum, whiskey, cognac, etc. But there will be no smell from your breath of alcohol.
But how is it even possible to make it taste like alcohol without alcohol?
All spirits has its unique flavor, but one thing they have in common is that burning sensation in your mouth and throat. But if you think about it, there are other things in nature that causes that same sensation in your mouth and throat, that burning. So the trick is to find the right things and mix them to get that flavor.
Wow, I can't wait to try it.
Well, of course, I brought something you can try.
So what flavor are we going to try?
How about this one?
Single malt Scotch whiskey, my favorite.
Okay, there you go. Need to stir that one also.
Thank you. Well, here goes. That's wonderful. I mean, that's amazing. This is really good.